You never walked this much in this place before. In the trees. Kind of nice. Hey, you go further than I can go. Are you stuck? Can I see you? Yes, are you stuck? Really? Do you have no survival instinct? Like zero? Oof. Ow! That's fucking I mean, that really stabbed me. Let's go. Let's go out of this mayhem here. What on earth did we get ourselves into here? Oof. I see you. Just note for the ones that finding me for the first time, this is outside of my comfort zone. From Iceland, you don't have these there. Or maybe you do now, but not when I was little. But we're in Denmark though. Nom nom nom. Nice to sight you. Cut this gun. Oh, she's running. Oh. Where are you? There you are. Let's go this way. Oops, I see. Sjá þig hundur. I mean, look at you, dog. Alright, let's get out of this. Where did Josa go? Oh, this is broken. Poor tree. Come on, Jos. It's not easy to get to you. Why am I so blessed with this amazing, energetic little girl here? I feel really blessed for this one. Oh, she found something. Okay, let's go outside. I'm gonna give you some water. Come on, Jos. That's where we came from, I think.